Hello, this is Joyce.
Hi everyone, I'm your co-host Jordan.
Hey Jordan, where are we today?
Today we're at the majestic Taoyuan Longtan Nantian Palace.
答对了。那你对这边第一印象如何呢？
Wow, this place really lives up to the name Palace. It's so breathtaking.
当然呢，这里还是每年端午节龙舟比赛还有花火秀的地方哦。那这座庙跟别座庙不一样的地方是，它还有16个牌头，各个都展现了台湾的特色，比如说总统府、101大楼，还有石门水库等等。
Wow, that's pretty fascinating.
对呀，那 Jordan 你在电视上看过龙舟比赛吗
No.
那端午节快到了，到时候就可以好好欣赏了。
I noticed you managed to fly your drone today. How's the view from above? And also, do you think your drone videography has improved over the last 3 years?
今天的飞行体验非常的棒。从空中鸟看呢，就是寺庙的结构，还有周围的自然景观，简直就像成了一幅美丽的画，让我自己看了都很开心。我自己也觉得进步了不少。
That's great to hear. I can definitely see that you've gotten to be quite the expert. You know, I think our audience is ready to see the temple from your perspective. What do you think?
我也这样认为哦。
All right, let's dive into that footage.
好，那我们现在来一起认识吧。
Nantian Temple was built on a large tourist pond in Longtan District, Taoyuan City. It is majestic and full of splendor. It is popular among tourists. In the 90th year of the Republic of China, the villagers saw the local green trees, beautiful scenery, and pleasant background. Tourists come and go in droves on Zhongfeng Road and Shenlong Road. But unfortunately, there is no place to rest. Therefore, a group of people gathered to discuss and use the tourist island to build a new temple. On the one hand, it promotes local tourism and drives local prosperity. On the other, prayer goes to the gods and Buddhas to protect all living beings and increase their happiness and wisdom. The founder of the palace, Mr. Qiu Shun, local gentry and other enthusiastic believers who shared the same belief worked hard to prepare the establishment. The groundbreaking ceremony was officially started on June 28th of the Republic of China. After more than 20 years, all the believers worked hard and contributed money and effort. Brick by brick, various construction projects were completed year by year before it reached such a grand and spectacular scale. The water around the palace and temple is as clear as a mirror. The temple looks like a lotus, and the two reflect each other like the bright moon over the river. Its beautiful scenery is like a fairyland on earth. The first floor of Nantian Palace is dedicated to Emperor Guansheng, benefactor. Emperor Wensheng, Master Kongsheng, Tai Sui Xingjun, the god of wealth in the 5 ways, the god of fortune and righteousness, the mother-in-chief, and other sages. The second floor is dedicated to Avalokitesvara Bodhisattva, Manjushri Bodhisattva, Samanta Bhadra Bodhisattva, and Yelao Shenjun. The Lingxiao Hall on the 3rd floor is dedicated to the Jade Emperor. The 3 treasures of Buddha and the 3 officials. The large sightseeing pool is equipped with a suspension bridge and a Jiuqu bridge, which allows believers to enjoy the scenery around the lake. The beautiful scenery is refreshing and quite pleasant. There are sightseeing family parks, sightseeing trails, viewing platforms, and more in the surrounding area. A leisurely stroll there is often unforgettable, and the surrounding scenery is even more beautiful. In order to respond to environmental protection, save energy, reduce carbon emissions, and reduce air pollution. Nantian Palace has installed 2 furnaces only. The Tiangong furnace and the main furnace, and does not burn gold joss paper.